At long last, an unprecedented sight. It is undeniably a historic day today. It seemed as if the puzzle had always been there. You won't believe what they're hinting at. The Shiba Inu development team even confirmed it. However, what am I actually referring to? Okay, I'll try to clarify. Important notice, I am thrilled to share some very fantastic news with you today. An ambitious goal of 5 cents for Shiba Inu in this bull market has just been established by two prominent Bitcoin analysts, Jason Williams and Yazin. Within the crypto world, this audacious prediction has undoubtedly sparked numerous conversations. Given Shiba Inu's enormous supply of over 500 trillion tokens, many find the idea of its price reaching 1 penny to be unrealistic. Now we're hearing that this bull run could be worth 5 pennies instead of just 1. Do you think it's unbelievable? Nonetheless, this forecast isn't merely an educated estimate. Extensive research supports it. Stay tuned as we delve into the specifics of this prediction. Alright, so Williams and Yazan have publicly stated their 5-cent aim for Shiba Inu this cycle just today on social media. They analyzed several leading cryptocurrencies including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, and this bold forecast is a part of it. Assuming Bitcoin reaches $777,000 this season, Yazan predicted in his post that Shiba Inu may reach 5 cents. William, meanwhile, thinks that if Bitcoin reaches $250,000, the 5-cent level for Shiba Inu is within reach. There are currently 4 leading zeros in the Shiba Inu trading system. Basically, by 2025, Bitcoin experts anticipate that Shiba Inu will have removed 3 further zeros. Token price. Appreciation of a mind-boggling 200,000% within the next 12 months would be required for Shiba Inu to reach this goal. This would undoubtedly be a record-breaking achievement. To put it in context, such a massive gain. This forecast is especially remarkable because gains of this kind are enormous, redefining what is. Thought to be feasible for cryptocurrency growth, the idea that Shiba Inu may increase by more than 200,000% would establish a new standard in the market. Is it really possible for it to hit that quickly? I say we check out some other analysts. Shiba Inu saw a staggering increase of more than 880,000% after the Bitcoin bubble burst in 2021. Although many are hopeful that Shiba Inu will achieve a similar surge in popularity, most experts are predicting a more moderate result. In most cases, they anticipate the coin to retain 3 zeros or somewhat more and lose only 1010. For instance, according to Donna, a well-known analyst for her spot-on Dogecoin forecasts, the price of Shiba Inu won't rise above 3 zeros during the current bull market. The rationale behind that is also unlikely to occur to you. It's an intriguing one, in fact. Something that gets a lot of slack but needs more emphasis. Yeah, that's hilarious. Picture this, you're on a weight loss mission, and you've come to believe that your insufficient exercise is the sole reason you haven't seen any results. Subsequent investigation, however, may reveal the involvement of additional variables such as food, sleep, and stress levels. It's more than just not moving around enough. Your success is being impacted by a multitude of factors. For Shiba Inu, there is a more nuanced interaction at play, even if the breed's abundance is a clear factor. What exactly is it about, then? The final sell wall for Shiba Inu is at roughly 406, which is approximately twice the current price, thus getting to this point is no easy feat. Presently, about 30 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are held by 92,000 addresses. It is anticipated that the price will encounter significant selling pressure if it continues to surge to this level, as these holders may opt to liquidate their positions in order to achieve parity. A sell wall is an enormous predetermined price barrier of sell orders in the cryptocurrency realm. It becomes more difficult for the price to go up after that. Investors hoping their cryptocurrency to appreciate in value may find sell walls to be challenging. To get through this obstacle, Shiba Inu needs the backing of buyers more than ever, which could lead to a period of price discovery. Many industry watchers, however, are of the opinion that the Shiba Inu will hit the triple digits during current upswing. How, though, will the Shiba Inu price point be reached compared to the wild rides we saw in February and March? The cryptocurrency market this month appears to be somewhat tame. There was a time when the Bitcoin ETF story was making headlines and people were pouring money into Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. The price of Shiba Inu even tripled in a matter of days as a result. How monumental is that, in your opinion? However, after more than a month of stagnant or declining crypto prices, it has become genuinely dull. The bull market may have ended, according to some investors. The absence of significant drivers of price increases is one factor. There has been little to no new noteworthy news to disrupt the market, and the excitement surrounding Bitcoin ETFs has subsided. prices tend to stay the same or go down when fresh capital is not flowing in. Another factor that can cause the market to slow down is the fact that some investors may be hesitant to cash out after such a quick increase. But now things start to get intriguing. Earlier today, Bitcoin ETF volumes reached a level not seen in 7 weeks. As the price of Bitcoin reaches new May highs, the daily volume of Bitcoin ETFs reaches roughly $6 billion, returning to levels not seen since late March. The excitement sure has returned. In the period around Bitcoin's all-time high of almost $73,000, the performance of Bitcoin ETFs was non-existent. Sentiment reports that the 7 biggest U.S. spot ETFs handled more than $5 billion in volume this week, the most volume since March 24th. Trading volume is currently acquiring substantial momentum, which Sentiment interpreted as meaning that huge investors are no longer just accumulating assets on-chain. When asked about the increase in trading activity, hedge fund manager Thomas Crowell responded with bullish emotion, saying it was a great indication for the market. At this point, everything starts to spiral out of hand. There has been a surprising uptick in interest in even the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which was previously linked to substantial outflows. Grayscale received $27 million on May 16th and $4.6 million on May 17th, according to data from sources such as the UK investment firm Farside. The news is really astounding. Give it some thought. Every day, Grayscale's outflows have caused the market to tumble multiple times this year. And suddenly, they've decided to purchase Bitcoin instead. And not for the first time in 3 days in a row. I can't believe it. In the world of cryptocurrency, this is groundbreaking news. The abrupt change in Grayscale's outlook regarding Bitcoin and the crypto sector as a whole is indicated by the surge in inflows rather than outflows. Suddenly, your normally gloomy pal starts recommending the trendiest new restaurant in town. It's like they've taken a sudden turn for the worst. It's surprising, but it demonstrates a fresh optimism that can greatly influence everyone's disposition and choices. The bull market appears to have returned. Further, one of the Shiba Inu development team members, Lucy, made a thought-provoking remark on Twitter not long ago. "We are about to start a parabolic cycle," as one user called Wall Street Bets put it. All right, Lucy said in response, "I don't understand. A parabolic cycle is characterized by an asset's price rising at an exponential rate. Imagining a roller coaster that abruptly launches into the sky is a good analogy." Lucy is basically indicating her agreement or acceptance with the thought that the Bitcoin market is about to see such a tremendous spike by saying amen. In a roundabout manner, it's a nod to the fact that big gains may be on the horizon. It appears like everything clicks into place at this point. First, we hear from industry insiders who are projecting a price increase for Shiba Inu. Then, the Bitcoin ETF craze is back, and Grayscale pulls a U-turn, going from selling Bitcoin to buying it again. One member of the Shiba Inu development team has even confirmed it, which is the cherry on top. Shiba Inu and the Bitcoin market as a whole are depicted in a positive light, with renewed hope and possibility. It appears that we might be about to witness another substantial